The 2018 Central American Independence Parade kicked off with dancing, food, and culture. The fiesta was filled with excitement from organizers and parade goers.
So the parade starts at East Tremont and Southern Boulevard in front of the Happy Land Monument because this is one of the very important monuments that we have. As everybody knows, 87 victims die here in this particular arson. And more than half of those individuals were of Honduran Garifuna descent.
The parade recognized guests such as Grand Marshal Luz Soliz and Lisa Barrios, Miss Independent, who is currently known as Garifana's first transgender leader.
You're going to see a little bit of everything. Catracho, which is indigenous from Central America, Honduras, and you're going to see part of the Garifuna, which is traditional Arawak and African tradition. Rain or shine is what we do when we set our goals. We go whether it rains, thunder, or shine.
El objetivo mío es tratar de hacer visible la comunidad trans dentro de la comunidad garífuna, ya que siento de que somos invisibles nosotras las mujeres trans como mujeres garífunas. Uno de los objetivos míos también es hacer que la comunidad vea de que nosotros como mujeres trans también formamos parte de la sociedad.
Selina Guevara, a mother of two young girls who attended the parade, felt it was important to express their Honduran culture through traditional garments.
Well, my daughter Okani, she is representing our island, and her dress was painted by me, and this hair is representing the beaches on the island. Nerisi Guevara, she's representing us Garifuna people. This is our Garifuna colors. The black, the white, and the yellow is representing our Garifuna people. So since she's representing Colón, the Departamento of Colón, and that's the place where most of us are from.
The Golden Knights Marching Band were also in attendance. They charmed the crowd with their dance routines and left their musical footprint on the Bronx streets as they sashayed through the East Tremont and Southern Boulevard section of the Bronx.
We do it for the kids. We do it for the community. It helps keep the children off the streets. It helps put them in a right path and in hopes to continue that path. It gives them a talent that they kind of had and brought it out, and it allows them to move forward with any other talents that they have.
The parade featured traditional warrior dancers whose dances included jumps, elaborate costumes, and cultural Central American practices.
We're doing the special show of our culture as well as Garifunas. And as you see the customs and stuff, this represents a warrior dance for our culture called Vanaragua or Yankunu.
We need to bring awareness of our culture, how people see us, to know who we are as people. But we are black, but we have an identity, we have an ethnicity, we have a background, we have a history.
Reporting for Bronx Net, Felicia Chanel Stevens.